Hi guys, my name is Allison, also known as Mom Boss of Boys, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what's in my bag. This bag is really great for if I'm out with all the boys and I can fit all my stuff in and probably whatever else they want me to carry. So if the boys have toys or extra clothes, I'll just throw it into this bag. But if I'm just going out with me and my partner, then I'll either get a smaller bag, like a crossbody bag, and I'll put just my bare necessities, which would be, my wallet, my medication, sunscreen, lip balm, and my phone. And sometimes if we're doing like a big thing with the boys, then I'll wear a fanny pack to keep my hands free and a backpack on top as well to keep all their stuff in there. So I have my phone, like everybody else, carries their phone in their bag. I have this cute wallet. It's by Matt & Nat. I love it because it's small and fits into all my other purses if I'm switching out. I also carry around a pen and a journal. So sometimes ideas come to me for content creation, or if I need to write something down, then I'll put it into my journal. I am a mom of 3 boys. And so my youngest being 3 years old, we carry wet wipes or baby wipes with us everywhere we go. You can imagine that running around after 3 boys can make you very thirsty, so I bring my water bottle with me everywhere. It is starting to get really sunny out there, so I have these sunnies. I carry around hand sanitizer everywhere. I carry around this roller. It is called Peppermint Halo and it's by Sage. It's really helpful for my headaches. Having 3 boys can get really loud sometimes, so I do suffer from headaches occasionally, and this really cures them right away. I do have a dream bag. So my dream bag is actually the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. So I love using totes and I love being able to throw everything into it. And all my girlfriends that have the Neverfull just say that it's such a great bag to like grab and go and throw all your stuff in. So that is probably my dream bag. I have asthma, so I carry around my asthma medication with me everywhere. Gum, because I always want gum. I always carry a hair clip or some hair ties with me because if I'm running around, especially after the little one, I want to tie my hair up. And I said it was sunny, so I bring sunscreen with me everywhere and I reapply throughout the day. I have lip balm. Speaking of dry, I also carry Aquaphor with me everywhere. And my AirPods. My top 3 must-haves in my bag all the time have to be my sunscreen, my Aquaphor, and probably hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer, I'm going with hand sanitizer. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out and checking out what's in my bag.